Hey my beautiful, what if I told you that you could easily make 4 to 5 figures a month working 10 hours per week from home? Would you be interested? I'm about to give you the home-based business blueprint.
Now, let's dive into the heart of the Enrichment Business Blueprint. This isn't just a mini course. It is a vessel for you to transform your passions into a profitable venture right from your home. Inside the class, we'll explore a variety of in-demand enrichment programs. So whether you're new to this or you're kind of aware of how enrichment programs work, I'm going to give you an overview. And whether your passions lie in the arts, technology, or anything in between, there's a space for you. Understanding who needs these programs is key. So I'm going to identify to you who your primary buyers are going to be, and I'm going to teach you how to reach them effectively. Packaging your enrichment program is also crucial for fast success. So I'm going to guide you through creating an irresistible program offer that stands out in the market. And would you like to know the best part? You are going to get a quick start action plan to help you launch your enrichment business with confidence and clarity. Listen, I started just like you. I was a wife and a stay-at-home mom who was looking to add income to the household. And with determination and my laptop and my babies on my lap, I made it happen, and so can you. Listen, this is about more than income. It's about impacting the next generation, sharing your knowledge and passion, and creating lifestyle liberation. Getting your time and your income to yourself for you to control and manage and grow. And guess what? No fancy degrees or tech wizardry is needed. Just your passion, your skills, and a heart ready to teach and inspire. So tell me, are you ready to step into a world of possibilities with the Enrichment Business Blueprint? If so, take my hand and let's turn your dream into a reality together.